Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy box, particularly the Ipsy Icon Box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. If anyone's curious why my face looks weird, it's because 5 of my 8 products are makeup items, and right after I do the unboxing, I'm going to film a separate video where I do a try-on of those products. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive into my box. It is quite sealed with 3 clear stickers, and if anyone is here randomly, thank you, and isn't aware of what Ipsy is, or the Ipsy Icon Box, Ipsy is a beauty subscription with 3 different tiers, and the Icon Box is an upgrade that only happens quarterly or 4 times a year. It costs $58 plus a $1.99 handling fee. Basically, it's a $60 box where you get 8 full-size products. The box is curated by a celebrity or influencer, and this quarter's box is influenced by Vanessa Hudgens. This magazine / pamphlet should include all of the products, but sometimes it doesn't. Honestly, I'm lazy and don't read it. I just go online and look at the app. Alright, the first item does have bubble wrap around it. This is from Iconic London, and this is a Lip and Cheek Cream Trio. This retails for $35. It comes in the standard packaging for Iconic London. This looks metal, but it's actually plastic, but it is quite shiny. You can use it as a mirror. If you don't want to do that, it actually does come with a mirror. And here are the shades. Those are beautiful. In person, they are much brighter. My lights tend to wash everything out, and they are leaning on the very coral, more orangey front than they are pink. Here the shades are swatched on the back of my hand, but if you want to see them in action, make sure you watch my upcoming video. The next product, I am so excited. I got this in my box. I wasn't super impressed with what I saw in spoilers, but I really wanted this, and I'm so happy I got this in my box. This is the Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette, which has 8 multi-dimensional eye colors. Hopefully I don't blind you. This packaging is gorgeous. This is actually metal. It has quite the heft to it. Yay! My pet peeve, it does not do. It actually opens 100%. It has a mirror, and here are the shades. That is a neutral lover's dream palette, and guess what? I'm a neutral lover. All right, let me quickly do some swatches, and then I'll do a full try on in my next video. All right, here are the swatches. By the way, this palette retails for $61. The next product Ipsy put in my box is this one here from JOANNA Vargas. It's the Magic Serum. I'm not familiar with JOANNA Vargas, but I will never complain about getting skincare as long as my entire box isn't all skincare. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice, classic, all white. It is plastic, but it does come with a pump. It's a milky white serum. Does it have a scent? Possibly. It's so light and subtle that I won't be able to tell you what it smells like, but it smells decent, good, not bad, or it doesn't have any scent whatsoever. I'm not familiar with the brand and or person JOANNA Vargas. However, this retails for $85. Dang, that's a bougie serum. The next product Ipsy put in my box is this one here from Volition Beauty. It's their Neroli Complete Crème, which has vitamin C and vegan collagen. This moisturizer retails for $50. You get 50 ml. Here is the packaging for the Volition cream. It's very luxurious and nice. This is glass. I'm not so sure if this is the best product for me because it says it's meant for oily combo skin, and I have extremely dry skin. So I'm curious if any of you have ever tried this product before, and if so, if you could share your thoughts with me on how it worked on your skin type. All right, this is another product that Ipsy put in my box. It's from Wander Beauty. It's the Skyliner Duo. It comes with 2 eyeliners. One is in black and one is in brown. This is what the pencils look like, and that is really nice. I love how they put the actual color so that you don't have to take the cap off before you realize, nope, I wanted the other shade. That's very considerate and thoughtful. All right, let's do some swatches. All right, here is the brown and here is the black. Seemed very creamy and nice. These are twist ups and they do come with that little teeny sharpener in case you want to keep the tip extra fine. The eyeliner duo retails for $32, which means each eyeliner on its own is $16. All right, now on to the products that I selected for myself. The choices this month weren't the best, but they weren't horrible. Over the past few months, the choices, in my opinion, or at least my choices, have not been very good. These were okay. I was able to find something I liked in each choice, but still they were not spectacular. So for the first choice, I selected the Let's Play mini eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. Alright, so this packaging is super cute. It's a little tin. It does come with a mirror. It also opens all the way up. And here is the color story, which again is right up my alley with some nice kind of warm orangey, peachy, and pink shades. Plus, I love having nice kind of a white or off-white and a soft shimmer. This palette retails for $29. It is the perfect size, assuming I enjoy the color story and formula, to take if I ever were to travel. I also just realized Let's Play, it's meant to kind of mimic or look like a Game Boy control thingy mabob. That's adorable. My second choice, I got what I think is a really good product, but again, choice is not that good. So I went with the Kate Somerville. This is the KX Active Concentrates, which will smooth and firm. It has biomimicking peptides, whatever that is. Sounds fancy. This retails for $98. Yeah, she's pricey, but worth it. This is what the product looks like. Again, very high quality. This is a glass bottle, and we get 30 ml. All right, choice 3, worst of the choices. So there wasn't a lot I was interested in. I ended up picking this product here from FRECK Beauty. This is the Lashrocket liner. Yeah, it's just a black liquid eyeliner. However, it said that it had lash enhancing peptides, and I've run out of my lash serum, so I thought, hey, if I can be lazy girl style and get a twofer where I'm doing black eyeliner and enhancing my eyelashes, I want to give that product a try. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's pretty luxe. I want to say this is metal. This, by the way, retails for $32. And oh goodness. So I say that because I'm used to pens. This is the type where it has a little brush tip. Let me do a swatch and then you'll see how black it is compared to the Wander Beauty gel eyeliner. All right, here is the FRECK Beauty. All right, it is more black, which I would expect from a liquid liner. The question is, how well will I be able to apply it on my eyes? Hopefully it works out good. All right, let's recap everything I got in the August 2023 Ipsy Icon Box. I got the Magic Serum from JOANNA Vargas, the Neroli Complete Cream from Volition Beauty, the Skyliner Gel Eyeliner Duo from Wander Beauty, the Lip and Cheek Cream Trio from Iconic London, the Lashrocket Liquid Liner from FRECK Beauty, the Let's Play Mini Eyeshadow Palette from Too Faced, the KX Active Concentrate Serum from Kate Somerville, and the Color Boss Master Eyeshadow Palette from MAKIAGE. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that's the best box I've had in quite some time. For me, who's been subscribing to beauty boxes for over 3 years, I have so much skincare and only one face. Well, granted, I have a lot of makeup too and only one face, but makeup will last longer than skincare for the most part. So I was super excited that 5 out of the 8 products I got were makeup. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I already know that this box value was over $400. The price doesn't matter, but it kind of does matter. I don't know, it really depends on if you enjoy all the products you get in your box and the value is like $200 and you're happy, that's great. But sometimes the box is okay, not spectacular. And then when it's only $200, I feel cheated slightly, particularly when I see other people unbox and theirs is like worth $400. So to me, I was happy my box value was high. But at the end of the day, it comes down to, did you enjoy your box? And I would say for $60, I got a really good box. This eyeshadow palette alone retails for $61, which basically is the price of the box. The Kate Somerville serum is $98, so that definitely paid for the box. So I really got my value. I almost forgot. I did pick up 2 add-ons. These are the little mini $3.50 add-ons. This first product is from CIATÉ London. It's the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint, and I have it in the shade Papaya. I also picked up this guy, which is way smaller than I was anticipating. This is a sample size of the WINKY Luxe Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer, and I got this in the shade Fair. If you're curious what these products look like, I will be swatching them and doing a try-on in an upcoming video. But now I want to hear from you. Did you enjoy the products I got in my box? Did you get a better box? Did you experience any FOMO from what I got in my box versus your box? Or is your box actually even better than my box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.